Hi students, today we can study area of a triangle. How can find out area of triangle using by determinants. Then in class 10 already was studied how to find out area of triangle using vertices. We can see one triangle A x1 y1, then B x2 y2, then C x3 y3. Then we have to find out area of triangle ABC. In class 10 we have studied one formula. First we can write that formula. Area of triangle ABC 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 x3 into y1 minus y. Then this formula already was studied in class 10. But now we are going to do area of triangle using by determinants. How can do means area of triangle ABC, same 1 by 2 we can write 1 by 2 into determinant x1, y1 and 1. x1, y1, then last common one. The next row is x2, y2, 1. This number x2, y2, 1. The next x3, y3, then common 1. Then if you expand this determinant, you will get area of triangle. Just expand. Then if you expand this determinant, you will get same formula only. Okay. Directly we can expand. We can find out area of triangle. Then when you find out area of triangle, you will get always positive number. That means area always will be positive only, isn't it? But when you do this determinant, sometimes you will get positive, otherwise negative, isn't it? Then just think area of triangle ABC. I got first 3 square unit. 3 square units. That is our answer. In case when you do determinant, you got minus 3 square units. Minus 3 square units. That time don't write minus 3 is the area of triangle. That time also you have to write 3. 3 square units. Don't use negative sign. That means if you find out determinant, in case negative value you got, that time also you have to write positive number. Keep in mind that don't write any negative value as area of triangle. Then next exercise we will use this formula. We can find out area of triangle. Then we can prove collinear. 3 points are collinear. Collinear points means what? Collinear. Collinear points means 3 points on the line A, B, C. Then this is like 3 points. A means x1, y1. B is x2, y2. C means x3, y3. 3 points given. We have to prove collinear. Nothing. Find out area of triangle. Okay. Area of triangle we can find out. Area of triangle ABC. Using by that determinant formula you can find out. In case answer is 0. We got area of triangle is 0 means that 3 points are collinear. Only one condition, when you find out area of triangle, you get answer 0 means that 3 points are collinear. Okay, that is second part. Then in one question they are given one triangle, coordinates are 2, 1, 4, 1, k 0. That area of triangle 3 square unit. Suppose one question. Then from here we have to find out k, value of k. How can find out? We will find out area of triangle. Area of triangle ABC. Then determinant we can use 1 by 2 into determinant 2, 1, 2, 1, then 1, then 4, 1, 1, then k 0, 1 equal to area of triangle given, that is 3. But one problem is that we cannot use 3, because when you do this determinant we will get plus or minus 3. Plus 3 will get, that time they will write area of triangle is 3 square units. In case they got minus 3, that time also they will write same 3 square units only area, isn't it? Because negative sign they cannot use. That time, in this case, when you find out value of k, don't use only 3, we have to use plus or minus 3. Then find out value of k. Because they are given area of triangle is positive always. Sometimes they got negative 3 also. But they, now we can see exercise 4.3, question number 1. Find area of the triangle with vertices at the point given in each of the following. Problem number 1. Vertices are given 1, 0, 6, 0, 4, 3. This is like one triangle. Then vertices in here 1, 0, 6, 0 and 4, 3. They are given. We have to find out area of triangle. Keep in mind, when you find out area of triangle, which formula we have already studied in class 10, don't use that formula directly, because we can use only determinant. Okay, so we can write area of triangle. Area of triangle equal to, formula is 1 by 2 into x1 y1 1 this is formula for area of triangle, isn't it? Then we can give all the values in here 1 by 2 x1 y1 1, that is x1 is 1 0, y1 is 0, then 1. Then from here 6 0, 6 0 common 1, 4 3 3 and common 1. Expanding along which row or which column? If you are use first row 1 0 is. Then in case if you use second column, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there, isn't it? Then we will do only 1 using by 3 only. Very easy to do, isn't it? Then expanding along C2, that is second column. And then we will get answer. So write 1 by 2 into using by 0 and 0 no need to do. Then using by 3. Then in here plus or minus. Diagonal elements only will be positive, then other elements will be negative. Then starting with, in here this is not diagonal element, isn't it? That's why starting with negative. So you can write minus 3. Minus 3. Then and you use minus 3, leave it, third row and second column, then multiple 1 into 1 minus 6 into 1 equal to 1 by 2 minus 3. What will you get? 1 into 1, 1, then minus 6 into 1, 6. 1 minus 6, how much? That is 5. Minus 5, isn't it? Minus 5 equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 into minus 5, 15 equal to 15 by 2 square units. Because area of triangles. Now we got answer 15 divided by 2 square units. Our answer. Already we got positive number only, no need to change. Now we can see Roman number 2. And here also coordinates given 2, 7, 1, 1, 10, 8. We can find out area of triangle. Area of triangle equal to 1 by 2 determinant 2, 7, 2, 7, then common 1, then 1, 1, 1, 1, common 1, then 10, 8, 10, 8, then common 1. Then what will do? We can use which row? Any row we can use, isn't it? Because no zeros. We can use first row, expanding along R1. 1 by 2 into first 2 into, when you use 2, first column, first row, leave it. Then 1 into 1, we can write 1. Directly we can write 1. Then minus 8 into 1, 8. Then we have plus, this will be minus, isn't it? Minus 7. 7 into, when you use 7, second column, first row, leave it. Then 1 into 1, 1 minus 10 into 1. 1 into third column and first row, leave it. 1 into 8, we can write 8 minus 10 into 1, 1 by 2, 2 into, then 1 minus 8 is minus 7, then minus 7 into 1 minus 10, minus 9 plus 1 into 10 minus 8 minus 10 is minus 2. 1 by 2, 2 into minus 7, minus 14. Minus minus plus 7 into 9. 7 9 jar 63, isn't it? 63 plus into minus minus 1 into 2, 2. One by 2 into, then 63 minus 2. 63 minus 2 is 61, isn't it? Okay, 61. Then minus 14. And here 11 minus 4, 7. Then 5 only, 5 minus 1, 4. 47 plus 47. Then you can multiple 1 into 47. 47 divided by 2 square. That is our area of triangle. And here also we got positive number only. I need to change. You can see Roman number 3. We can also find area of triangle. Then area of triangle equal to 1 by 2 into x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1 equal to 1 by 2 into x1, y1, that is minus 2, minus 3. Minus 2, minus 3, then common 1. 3, 2, 1, then minus 1, minus 8, 1. In this determinant, no zeros, that's why we can use any row or column for expanding expanding along R1. One by 2 into, we are using R1, that is minus 2 first. Cut it, this 2. Okay, then 2 into 1, 2 minus 8 into 1, minus 8. There, in here plus, then minus we can write plus directly. Okay, 2 minus will come together. Then plus 3. When you use minus 3, that means second number, that is second column on first row. Leave it. 3 into 1. 3 minus, then minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Then plus minus, in here also plus. This to leave it. Then 3 into minus 8, minus 24. Common minus. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. One by 2 into minus 2 into, what will get? 2 minus minus 8. That means 2 plus 8, 10. Plus 3 into 3 minus minus 1. 3 plus 2 minus means plus, isn't it? 3 plus 1, 4. Then 1 into, in here minus minus plus, plus 2. Minus 24 plus 2. Minus 24 plus 2, you get minus 22, isn't it? One by 2. Minus 2 into 10, minus 20 plus 3 into 4, 12, minus 22. One by 2. Inside the bracket, what you will get? Minus 20 plus 12, minus 8, isn't it? That is 12 minus 20, minus 8, minus 8, minus 22, minus 30 you will get. But area of triangle equal to 15 square. Because area cannot be negative, isn't it? We got minus 15, but minus 15 we cannot write. We have to write plus 50 square units. That is our answer. Next question, question number 2. Show that A equal to A, B plus C. B means B, C plus A. Next question, question number 2. Show that points A, small letter A, B plus C. And second word is, that is B, B, C plus A, C, C, A plus B are collinear. We have to prove these 3 points are collinear. How can prove? Collinear means these 3 points on the straight line. Then, for this problem, first we will find out area of triangle. When you find out area of triangle, if you got answer 0, answer 0 means these 3 points are collinear. Okay. Area of triangle, triangle ABC equal to 1 by 2 equal to x1 y1, that is A, B plus C, then B, C plus A, 1, x3 y3 C, A plus B, 1 by 2 is the. Then we can expand along with any row. Expanding along R1. how can I write 1 by 2 into, if you are use R1 first row means A into, just to leave it, then C plus A into 1, we can write same C plus A minus A plus B into 1, A plus B. And then second minus B plus C, because in here plus, in here minus, isn't it? Then minus B plus C into second column first row, leave it, B into 1, B minus C into 1 plus 1, just to leave it, then B into A plus B minus this 2, C into C plus A. Then this minus, if you are giving inside, what you will get? This A plus A minus A cancel, isn't it? Then remaining C, this minus B, because this minus you have to give in here and plus, the place for plus also. Okay, then C minus B will get B plus C, B minus. You can remove bracket B into A, B, then B into B, B square, minus C into C, C square, C into A, minus A. 1 by 2. Remove all the bracket, that is A into C, AC minus A into B minus AB. And here also minus B into B minus B square, that minus C, this minus given here, minus C into B is minus BC. Again is minus B into minus C plus BC, then minus C into minus C plus C square plus AB B square minus C square minus AC. Then AC minus AC cancel, that will be 0, isn't it? Minus AB plus AB minus B square plus B square minus BC plus BC plus C square minus C square. All cancel, we will get 1 by 2 into 0 equal to 0. We got answer 0. Answer 0 means given points are collinear, isn't it? Therefore, given points are collinear. The 3 points lies on one line, on straight line. Question number 3. Find values of K if area of triangle is 4 square units and vertices are Roman number 1 K0 4 0 0 2. From here we have to find out value of this unknown, that is K, isn't it? Then how can do? They are already given area of triangle. We can write area of triangle equal to 4 square units. Then how can find out area of triangle? That formula 1 by 2 x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 then 1 by 2 x1 y1 1, that is K0, then 4 0, then last 0 2 equal to, then before also I told, in here when you find out value of K we have to use plus or minus 4, because determinant value you will get plus or minus anything, okay, but they are given area is plus. Keep in mind, when you find out value of any unknown K you have to use plus or minus that number, because a determinant value you will get plus or minus, but area of triangle always they will use positive number. In previous question number 1 also we find out we got sometime negative number, but area we are written positive always, isn't it? That means always use plus or minus. Expanding along, which column we will use? Otherwise, which row we will use? We can use second column, isn't it? Because two zeros are there. And that 1 by 2 into, and you use second column using by 2 only. These are diagonal elements, that will be positive. Then 2. 2 is not diagonal element, that's why that will be negative. Minus 2 into, just to leave it. Then k into 1, k. Then 4 into 1, 4. Equal to plus or minus 4. In here, this 2 and 2 directly cancel. Then remaining this minus give inside minus k minus minus plus 4 equal to plus or minus 4. Then minus k plus 4 equal to 4. Sometimes that will be plus 4 or minus k plus 4. You can use minus 4. This plus or minus I given separately. Then 4 bring to left side. It is 4 minus 4 equal to k bring to right side, minus k become plus k. This k, this bring to right side. That will be plus k, this 4 bring to left side. And here also same. 4 minus become plus 4. K bring to right side, that will be 0 equal to k. And here 8 equal to in here, otherwise this 4 bring to right side, minus k will get minus minus cancel, will get same answer, anything. Then we can write, therefore value of k zero and 8. That is our answer. Now we can see question number 3, Roman number 2. Find value of k if area of triangle is 4 square units. In here, 3 vertices given. We can write given four square units. Already given. That formula we can use 1 by 2 determinant x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1 equal to 4. Then when you use determinant, you have to use plus or minus 4. 1 by 2 x1 y1 1, that is minus 2 0 1, then from here 0 4 1, then 0 k. Then which column we can use? We can use first column because in here 2 zeros are there, isn't it? Then expanding along C1. Can write 1 by 2 into, then if you use first column, only use minus 2, just to leave it. Then 4 into 1, 4 minus equal to plus or minus 4. This 2 cancel, then remaining this minus give inside minus 4 plus k minus 4 plus k, plus or minus give separately, plus 4, otherwise minus k plus minus 4 plus k equal to minus 4. K equal to 4 minus 4 become plus 4, or here k equal to minus 4, this minus 4 bring to right side, that will be plus 4. K equal to 4 plus 4, 8, or k equal to minus 4 plus 4, 0. Now, therefore, values of k, therefore, values of k are 8 and 7. Question number 4, Roman number 1. Find the equation of line joining 1, 2 and 3, 6 using determinant. We have to find out equation of line. Look, one line is right. In here 2 points given, 1, 2. Then in here 3, 6. We have to find out equation of this line. I am taking one more point, that is xy on the line. Then 3 points are collinear, isn't it? And then from here we can find out equation of line. How can find out? First, area of triangle. Area of triangle, you can write 1 by 2 x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1 equal to, they are given one line, that is collinear, we can write equal to 0, isn't it? Area of triangle, we cannot triangle, that's why we can write 0 there. 1 by 2 x1 y1, this points we can write 1 2 1, then 3 6 1, then x3 y3, that we can take x y 1. Then this 1 by 2, this 2 if you are bringing to right side, that will be 0, no need to write. Expanding along R1. Then we can write, we are using R1, 1 into, leave it this 2, 6 into 1, 6 minus, then y into 1, y. Then in here minus, this will be plus, then minus, plus. Okay, minus 2 into this 2, leave it, 3 into 1, 3 minus x into 1, x, plus this 1, this 2, leave it, 3 into y, 3y, minus x into 6, 6x equal to 0. Then 6 minus y, minus 2 into 3, minus 6, minus 2 into minus x, plus 2x. 3y plus 3y, minus 6x equal to 0. There. Minus 6x plus 2x, that will be minus 4x. The next, plus 3y minus y, that will be plus 2y. Then numbers 6 minus 6, 0, isn't it? No need to write, then equal to 0. Then we can simplify using by, just divide all the numbers using by 2. We will get minus 2x, and here y equal to 0. Then this is our equation of required line. Equation of required line. Minus 2x plus y equal to 0. So step you can write, okay, divide by 2. Just all the elements, just divide by 2, you will get simplest form of that equation. Then one more question is there. You can do same this like this exercise finish. Then tomorrow we can do next exercise.